Hi guys, my name is Diana and welcome back to my channel. This is my segment called Guess the Price Tag, where I'll be provided with houses and I will have to guess the price tag. Today we're going to be in British Columbia in Canada. So play along with me below and yeah, let's get into it.
So what I need to remember is, Diana, Canada is cheaper than America.
Okay, we got it. So the first location is in West Vancouver. It is looking mighty wide, very big. Pool, brilliant. It's very lit up. I love that. Interior, okay, love that. Little wood / marble featured wall. Okay, that's like all in one room, like mini living room, kitchen, dining. This is just like another angle, I think. Yes. And that's a bedroom, bathroom. Ooh, that's a vibe. It's like a little bar / living area. They're really trying to tell you this is British Columbia with the Union Jack. Cinema room. Oh, look at that view. Beautiful. Love that little outdoor living area. And that is the end. Now, location-wise, doesn't help. So I'm just going to go with sheer size and say something along the lines of like 10 million. Because I think that's a really large property. So I'm going to say like 10 million to start with.
Your options are A, $19 million.
Ooh.
B, $29 million. Or C, $39 million.
19, 29, 39. This is a sticky one because my guess was totally off and now I have these three options, which could possibly be the answer. I feel like it could be any of those answers. I'm gonna go, oh, Diana. I'm gonna go with 19, honestly. I'm just gonna go with 19 because my Canadian people, they really be lowering the prices. So let's go with 19.
The correct answer is 19.
I knew it. I knew you guys weren't gonna let me down. Thank you, Canada. Yes, I knew it. I knew it. I knew if I went too high, we'll be comparing with the American prices, and I knew it wasn't like that. I knew it. This is a great start. So the next location, we are in White Rock. Start with the exterior. We've got a pool. Very nice, actually. Love this landing overlooking the living room. Love that. I love the color scheme as well, the black and gray. Very, very cutesy. This marble countertop. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It looks so good. Bedroom is super cute. Bathroom, look at that tub. It's like a bowl. Cinema room, yeah. Outdoor living area, very nice, actually. More outdoor living, and that is that. Okay, I'm gonna go for something like 7 million.
Your options are A, $4 million. B, $20 million. Or C, $30 million.
If I know my Canadians right, it's gonna have to be A, $4 million. Confidence.
The answer is $4 million.
Next! I'm so good. I'm real good. Okay, all right. Let me not gas myself. That's okay. See, when I get too excited, that's when I'd be messing up on the next one. But anyway, well done, Dee. Okay, so we are in West Vancouver, Canada for this next one. Sorry, I'm still smiling from my win. Ooh, we're going big on this one. Look at that size, honey. Yes, I don't know, like a millionaire, billionaire lives here. Twin stairs. I love a twin stair. Very like wedding-like. Very high ceilings. Ooh, this kitchen is nice. Ooh, a grand piano. Love that. A little library study area. On the exterior again. The exterior is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, that looks lovely. All right, so we've been playing it safe a bit. So I think this put a little spanner in the works because it is a big property. So I am going to go for something a little bit bigger and say 25 million, around that mark.
The options are A, $13 million.
1-3.
1-3.
Okay.
B, $23 million. C, $43 million.
I feel like I'm going to get this wrong. All right, I guess 25. It'd be smart for me to go to 23, but I feel like it could be C also, which is
$43 million.
43. I think 43 is excessive. So I'm going to go with my option of 23.
Correct.
No, you guys, you don't understand. Sorry. Oh my God. I'm on a roll, guys. I'm on a roll. Oh God, I'm gassing myself up. Canada. I could really be a realtor in Canada. You see me? I'm on a streak, guys. I'm on a streak. Let's not break the streak. Okay, where are we going? So for this property, we are in Langley, Canada. Exterior. Okay, this is like the most housey house that I've seen so far. So we have like the traditional peak and everything, a chimney and all that good stuff. But yes, we still got a pool and a jacuzzi. Very cute. I don't know where Langley is, so that's gonna be hard to guess. Yeah, I'm gonna go real humble with this one. It's a humble house, humble price. Okay, I bet you anything in Langley is very expensive too. I don't know where that is, but cabinets are very old school in my opinion. Bedroom, it's cute, it's cute. What is this, like a wine cellar? Okay, wine cellar. Pool. I'm gonna go for like a cool 3 million.
Your options are?
Yes.
Option A, $1.9 million.
Okay.
Option B, $4.9 million.
Ooh, okay.
Option C, $20.9 million. So you have 1.9,
Yeah.
4.9, or 20.9.
Huh. I'm drawing a blank with this one. I even forgot what my guess was. Ooh, I'm gonna go for 1.9, I think. It's very humble. I feel like it could be 4.9, but I'm gonna go all humble with it. So A, which I'm not confident about, by the way.
Final answer.
Final answer.
Incorrect.
That's fine.
The answer is B, 4.9.
Yeah, you know what? I wasn't confident with that one. So I would take that L. Langley. L for Langley. Take that L. The streak was a bit too hot, so, you know, we just had to cool it a bit. So let's get it right in this final property. We're back in West Vancouver. Oh, wow. Look at the exterior. Exterior is lovely. It's got like a, what is that? Like a golf thing going on. Oh, outdoor living areas. Beautiful. Look at that pool. Yes. Indoors. Beautiful. Oh my God. Look at that marble thing at the back. That marble slab. Kitchen. Living area. Fireplace. Look at the stairs. Yes, that is so nice. Spiraling staircase. Dining and living area. Living area from another angle. Okay. Bedroom. Bathroom. Lovely. Oh, that's really nice. I like that. And you see the view as well. Very, very, very nice. Like I'm drawing a blank from all the guesses that I've had previously. What the heck's wrong with me? We've been to West Vancouver a few times and I've already forgotten, which is very sad. Let's just say, oh, let's go for like 20 million.
The options are
Yeah.
A, $6 million. B, $16 million.
Okay.
C, $36 million.
I feel like this one's gonna throw me off. I guess 16 is close to 20, but I'm not confident. I'm not confident in 16 for some reason, but I feel like the other option or the final option would be super high. So I would have to go with 16 regrettably because I don't know.
The answer is B, $16 million.
Okay, we redeemed ourselves. Guys, 4 out of 5. Has this ever happened before? Never. Okay, we are getting somewhere in life. You are getting somewhere in life. And oh my God, I am so happy with my guesses this time round. So the final score is 4 out of 5, which is not bad. We thank the Most High. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you was playing along with me below. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.